Hello and welcome back to Newfoundland and Labrador Studies 2205. This is Unit 3, The Country Grows, Section 4, Lesson 9, Video 3, on Welfare and Law Enforcement. Let's first talk about welfare measures. There were a number of measures needed to improve living conditions for Newfoundlanders and Labradorians. The Amelie Report underestimated the colony's complex economic weakness and the ability for citizens to subsidize their incomes. The Commission's Welfare Division assumed that people were poor because they lacked the initiative to work. But much of the efforts of the Welfare Commission were focused on ensuring welfare measures were not abused, rather than investing in the citizens' living conditions. The measures they did undertake were the following: Public Works initiatives, make work projects for the unemployed, and encouraged agricultural development, and then income transfers, which is lowering duties on consumable goods to make them more affordable and increasing benefits like old age benefits and for the permanent poor such as widows, orphans, and the sick. Now let's talk about law enforcement. The Commission of Government realized that law enforcement was sparse and inadequate. The Newfoundland Constabulary had 170 officers, mostly stationed on the Avalon Peninsula. The Commission reorganized law enforcement by turning the Newfoundland Constabulary into an urban police force in heavily populated areas and creating the Newfoundland Ranger Force to operate in rural Newfoundland and Labrador. The Rangers operated as an administrative extension of the central government, overseeing relief for the Department of Public Health and Welfare, along with reporting on crime, patrol, general conditions, and what they called miscellaneous. The Rangers' duties changed with changes in policy and global events. During World War II, for example, the Rangers surveyed their districts, enforcing blackouts, distributing rations, patrolling for enemy submarines and aircraft, arresting deserters, and recruiting volunteers. But after Confederation, the RCMP gradually assumed the roles of the Rangers, and the force was disbanded in 1950. So now it's time to review. That was a lot of information that came at you. So I'm going to ask you to please complete the activities in Brightspace, and I hope that you have a great day.